chocolate cake, and I'm going to show you in a very simple way. I have also shown you a very interesting way of frosting. For that, you need to click down below and see our Facebook and Instagram link. If you still don't follow us in our Instagram page, please do follow us. But let's go on and bake the cake.
First, we are taking the dry ingredients. And now the wet ingredients. We are going to put the egg one by one and whisk it very well. Now we will mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I have used a spring mold. You can use any mold you want. I have shown you a frosting in our Facebook and Instagram page. For that recipe, you need to click the description box down.
Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because we come up with new videos every week.